move the front passenger seat all the way to the front so you guys have better access. Then you guys remove this cover, just pull it. For the terminal is gonna be 10mm nuts. Just lose them enough so you guys can remove the cables. Same with the other one. So for the bracket that is holding the battery in place, it's gonna be 2 13mm nuts. One out. It's the other one. Bracket. Now disconnect this hose from the battery. And there is the battery. I'm gonna put the same one back because I'm just doing this for demonstration purpose. Install the bracket, the 2 nuts, reconnect the hose, reconnect the terminals. Now you guys can put the cover back. And that's all you guys have to do. Thank you.